You bring us your clients and they say they smoke cigars 12 times a year or 24 times or every day. We know which carrier to go to with that. If you tell me that you've got to try it, an athlete that is, but his parent or her parent passed away prior to age 60 and could never get the top class just because the parent died young, we know which carrier we're going to go to that will allow you to get the top rate.
Do you have anything for a smoker? If you had a client that's a smoker and maybe they say they wanted to qualify for non-smoker rates, how would they go about something like that?
We have another carrier that if you quit in the next 3 years, you'd have to go 12 months without a cigarette, but you would pay non-tobacco rates for these 3 years. But they'd expect you to go through, give you blood and urine at least one of these years and show that you're nicotine free, and you'd still get the non-nicotine rate.
Rather unusual for an insurance carrier to stick their neck out like that, isn't it?
Yeah, they're being creative in different ways. One's specializing in hypertension, one's specializing in diabetes. If you're compliant and you take care of yourself, that years ago you were a flat out decline. Wouldn't you agree with that? Now
Sure.
Today there's creative ways. If you're compliant, work out, eat right, do all the right things, that they're going to get you as good as a standard offer.
Question, so if that particular person, policyholder, were to pass away within those first 3 years and got the non-smoker rate, but then they found that there was nicotine in their system, then would they just get the amount of insurance that their premium would have paid for a smoker, or would they still get the full death benefit?
I believe it's a full death benefit, Angela.
So as long as they were honest on their application about their tobacco use, it's the policy's contractual. The only thing that would change if the person at the end of the 3 years had not quit smoking would be that their mortality and their rate of insurance would then be reverted back to a smoker rate.
Okay,
So it's a
regardless
contractual policy. It will pay.
Very nice.
As long as, the underwriting process was honest and fully
Sure.
underwritten and everything was disclosed. And if the person did by chance die in the first 3 years, they've admitted that they were a smoker. They're just getting an incentive to quit by that insurance carrier.